Hi, so this will be the remote programming of the Mito to our Maxima Ultra 36 and also Maxima Ultra 35 and 68. So here we have the control board we call CXP Extreme. So here is our built-in receiver. So we have the PR1 and PR2. So I'm not sure which one is which. So we'll try to program the remote here. So we'll see the LED light will blink. So there you have to press the two buttons together, the hidden key. Then select the button. So here you will find the LED start to blink fast after you program the remote. So all you need to do now is to wait until this LED stop blinking. So that's the time you can test. So you can hear the sound. So means this is channel 2. So channel 2 it's a relay output. So means we have to use this one as the start command channel or the first channel. So again we press this PR1, press the hidden key, press and hold for 3 seconds. Okay. So again, so we're out of time, so again we have to press again PR1, press the hidden key, then the LED will lit steady, then select the button, then we can test now. So that's how you add the remote. So this one built-in receiver that can handle up to 2048 transmitter. Okay, thank you.